Hafiz TV, unique every day.
I'm humble for this kind of words that I'm hearing. I don't think I'm up to that level, but I take it in good faith and to my colleagues to bear witness that we are doing something impactful. That cannot be possible without your support. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Distinguished, revered chiefs and religious leaders, fellow citizens, the media brothers and sisters, I extend to you Islamic greetings, and I said, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May the peace of Allah be upon you all. We gathered here today for one purpose, a purpose of call for peace and tranquility in the upcoming 2024 general election in Ghana. Elections are primarily about each of us exercising our right and privileges to choose our political leaders. An election should always be non-violent competition that should guarantee peace and harmony among everyone. The Light Foundation wishes to use this opportunity to call on all Ghanaians to work hard so that we can guarantee the atmosphere of peace, so that together we uphold the right of the marginalized and vulnerable groups in our society and ensure the peaceful conduct of entire election process. I wish to state that all political actors, the Electoral Commission, the security agencies own our nation Ghana the duty to ensure transparency and openness to guarantee an atmosphere of peace and stability before, during, and after election. Political parties need to be reminded that elections are context of govern, a context of ideas, a context of preferred solutions. There's no room for violence in this process. Let us be mindful that we need a united Ghana to either reset or upgrade. The people of Ghana deserve nothing less than peace and stability. That must be ultimate outcome of this year's election. And it will take all of us gathered here this morning to achieve that. Let us not fail our country. No one should disturb the peace we are currently enjoying as a nation. May Almighty Allah guide our steps and bless our nation Ghana and make us great and strong. I thank you all.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.